Friends, today I am going to tell you 10 most important tips to strengthen the digestive system. Friends, when the digestive system does not work properly, then some common issues such as flatulence, constipation, and many diseases like burning sensation in the stomach arise. Whenever we have any such problem, then for this first of all we start drinking Digin or eat Pan 40 tablets or Pan DSR capsule. Some people starts eating hingoli etc. But is all of this really effective for your stomach to cure these problems? Answer is no. If you have ever faced any such problems, then you must be knowing that taking these common medicines give you relief for some time. But after that, these problems keep happening to you every time. So today these 10 tips which are going to talk about will not only make your digestive system strong so that these problems do not arise in you, but will also help you in improving your energy levels and your health. Because if the stomach is fine, then everything is fine. So let's start this video without any delay and know about all these tips in full detail. So let's start with our first tip, which is to increase the intake of fiber. Fiber, that is dietary fiber, works like superhero for your digestive system. Fiber is of two types. First is soluble fiber and second is insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, making your soft stool and easily passes from the stomach, while insoluble fiber is the one that does not dissolve in water. It scrubs and cleans your digestive tract, that is intestines and stomach, and removes dirt from there and detoxes the intestines. Fiber rich diet including fruits like apple, pear, vegetables like broccoli, spinach, whole grains and pulses. This not only improves digestion but also help in the growth of good bacteria in the intestines. Second point is make a habit to chew gum. You may be surprised to know that chewing gum can also improve digestive health. When you chew gum, saliva production increases. Saliva contains enzymes that help digest food. Chewing sugar-free gum after a big meal can reduce acidity and stomach irritation. This is especially beneficial for those who regularly face heartburn and indigestion. Third is eat less but eat balanced. Often people try to fill their stomach completely, which can have a negative effect on the digestion process. Instead of filling the stomach completely, leave space for one third solid food, one third liquids, and one third gas. This way, the digestive system works better and there is no feeling of heaviness or bloating. Eating a balanced amount of food provides the body with all the necessary nutrients. Fourth is do regular exercise. Regular exercise is essential to strengthen the digestive system. Exercise speeds up intestinal activity, which helps digest food quickly and properly. Light exercise such as walking, yoga, or cycling, activities that abdominal muscles and relieves problems like constipation. Making a habit of walking after meals helps relieve problems like gas and bloating sensation in the abdomen. Fifth is use probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that improves intestinal health. Yogurt, buttermilk, kimchi and other fermented foods are excellent source of probiotics. This bacteria improves digestion as well as strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of probiotics helps in relieving problems like stomach bloating, indigestion and constipation. Sixth is include anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. Foods that reduce inflammation in the body are extremely beneficial for digestive health. Turmeric. It is a natural anti-inflammatory that reduces intestinal inflammation. Second is ginger. It speeds up the digestion process and relieves gas problem. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like fish and flax seeds soothe the intestines and reduce inflammation. 7 is chew your food carefully. The habit of chewing food properly is the first step to building a strong digestive system. Chewing each morsel properly increases the production of saliva, which activates the digestive enzymes. This breaks down food into smaller pieces, making it easier for the stomach to digest it. 8 is drink as much as water possibly. Hydration, that is drinking enough water, is very important for the soothe functioning of the digestive system. Water dilutes the digestive juices. It helps and digest food. It keeps the intestines clean and prevents problems like constipation. Avoid drinking too much water while eating, as it can weaken the digestive enzymes. 9 is try to reduce stress. Long term stress can weaken the digestive system. Stress slows down the intestinal movement and can increase acidity. Adopting a stress free lifestyle helps the digestive system work better and prevents many problems. 10 is make it a habit to take a walk after eating. Instead of lying down after eating, taking a light walk is very beneficial for digestion. It helps in delivering food to the intestines quickly. A 10 to 15 minutes walk after eating removes problems like gas, bloating, and heaviness in the stomach. This habit not only strengthens the digestive system but also helps in controlling weight. If you like today's video, friends, then like it, subscribe the channel and also share it with everyone so that more people can also get benefits. So see you in my next video. Till then, thanks.